What if searching for the perfect cruise didn't need a single drop-down or filter? Meet AIVA, short for AI Voyager Assistant, your ultimate guide to instant personalised cruise quotes in under 3 seconds. Using natural language, AIVA instantly understands complex cruise preferences and analyses over 1,000 itineraries simultaneously. A user can type "family-friendly cruise the week of June 19th in the Caribbean." AI filters 1,000 plus options, then presents personalised bookable suggestions in seconds. Or try a cruise through Asia, stopping in Hong Kong, or an Antarctic expedition in July. How it works? No more drop-downs, no more manual filters. Just type your request in iSell Connect search bar, click your favourites and book. Today's travellers expect instant, personalised experiences. With advanced AI now practical and accessible, AIVA puts you ahead of the competition. Deliver instant, personalised quotes with AI-powered speed and scale. Brought to you by Traveltek and Traverse Automation, built on more than 25 years of Traveltek data and 100 plus supplier connections. As travel evolves, AI is becoming an essential tool. AIVA brings that capability directly into iSell Connect so you can stay ahead. Launching soon. Be the first to test this new product in beta. Ready to transform your cruise bookings? Get in touch today.